Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad Paper. In this video I'll show you how to find File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Apps and search for Files app. Enter it, allow, and thanks to this app you've got access to your recent files. Browse, thanks to which you can browse the internal storage divided for categories like images, videos, documents, audio, apps, archives. Also you can go to strict internal storage. You can check recently deleted, downloads and recorder. In Me, you can check your favorites, settings and help. If you go to menu, you can edit the organization of the menu. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.